Volkswagen's infotainment systems, including MIB3 and Discover Pro, serve as the central hub for navigation, media playback, and vehicle connectivity. However, these systems have faced persistent issues like screen freezes and unresponsiveness, particularly in models from 2020 onwards. Fortunately, Volkswagen has addressed many of these problems through over-the-air software updates. For example, Software Update 2024.1 has improved system stability and reduced reported failures by 40% compared to 2023. These updates are delivered wirelessly to eligible vehicles. Despite these improvements, resets are still sometimes necessary. There are three main types. A factory reset erases all personal data and settings, returning the system to its original state. A reboot, or soft reset, simply restarts the system without losing data. A hard reset disconnects power, often by pulling the infotainment fuse from the vehicle's fuse box. Infotainment resets primarily fix issues with navigation, media playback, connectivity, and vehicle settings. Importantly, they do not impact critical safety systems like ABS brakes or airbags. Before performing a factory reset, always back up your data using Volkswagen's Cloud Sync feature. Volkswagen is also moving toward more user-friendly resets with guided prompts in the system menu, which should reduce the need for dealership visits. To perform a reboot, also called a soft reset, hold the power or volume button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, greater than System, greater than Factory Reset in the infotainment menu, and confirm with the required code. For a hard reset due to screen freezes, locate the infotainment fuse, typically fuse number 13 or 14 in the fuse box under the dashboard. Pull it out for 1 to 2 minutes, then reinsert it. Some problems are due to CarPlay or Android Auto. Consider resetting those connections. If frequent resets are needed, this indicates a deeper software problem that VW OTA updates aim to solve. VW's IDE voice system may soon allow voice command resets. If problems persist, consult VW's app or online diagnostics before visiting a dealer.